Welcome to the Agentic AI cycle for the software automation testing. In this part, we are exploring the requirement analyzer agent. So, what are the required parameters for the agent? Is like you should assign the goal. Goal is nothing but the aim of the agent. Along with that, you should assign the LLM, that is the ChatGPT, Gemini models, etc. After that, you need to assign the task. What specific tasks need to perform the agent. So tools and connection is the optional things as we discuss in our framework structure video. So let's go to the demonstration. First of all, this is the requirement agent. A requirement agent needs to be goal. The goal is needs nothing but the aim. So here I write like extract the precise and testable requirement from the user stories and convert them into the actionable task. And the backstory is like you are an expert in analyzing the requirement based on the user story and convert them into the testable task. Along with that, I assign the model name as well as my Gemini key. So requirement task needs three parameters like the task class requires three attributes like description. So I write down the description here is like analyze the user story and extract the testable requirement. So here I pass the user story from our main execution file and I add the agent, that is the requirement agent, and the expected output is like explain the testable requirement in detail. So I use this user story, that is source demo user story. So this is the real-time application user story. As an user, I want to log. Yes. So this is the we are write down the our main execution file. So what I write here, like we call the crew class, and the crew class needs three parameters as an attribute, like agents, list of the agents. So I call requirement agent. Then list of the task, I call the requirement task also. Then was boss. Then we can call, we can store these things in one variable, that is the crew variable, and we can call the kickoff method. We can call the kickoff method and pass the user story, that is the source story, and we can print the result in our terminal. So we can open the terminal here. First of all, need to activate the CrewAI environment. Write down the command src.main.demo. So wait a minute, the execution is started and complete within a minute. So crew start the execution, agent call the task and analyze the user story. That user story it should print here. Then here it is thinking right now. So based on this, agent can analyze our task and print the testable requirements. Just wait a minute. So agent performed the task successfully and we got the output. Let's syntax what we got here with the help of the agent. So after performing the agent, it prints like agent final answer. So the recurrent agent's final answer is like, here are the testable requirements derived from the user story and the etc. So the testable requirements from the source labs purchase flow is like, so first of all, login functionality, it gives very nice format, that is the requirement ID, then descriptions also, along with that the preconditions, steps, and the expected result. So it gives the all functionality. So it gives the all functionality as testable requirements. So as a tester, it is very helpful for us to perform specific testing, so we can understand that what needs to be performed in the application based on the user story. So with the help of this requirement analyzer agent, we get the requirements and we should perform our next. So in the next video, we are working on the test case designer agent. So stay tuned.